These are my husband's favorite pair of dress shoes, and they have separated on the heels. So when the company sent us this shoe glue, I was very excited so that I could test it out and check it out, and provide an honest review for you. So this is how it works. I do recommend that you use gloves because this is very sticky and it is fast acting. So you just simply apply it. You want to just simply clean the area where you're going to be applying the glue and dry it. And then I just liberally put it like everywhere I could to ensure a good, nice seal. Once I had the glue in there, I went ahead and held it together, but it comes with these rubber bands, which are really nice. So I put one of them on. Actually, I ended up putting two of them on, and I just squeezed it together for about 45 seconds. And you can see that I'm making sure to squeeze it and hold it tight. After the time was up, I went ahead and just put on a second rubber band, and then I just let it sit for 24 hours like the instructions said. And here is the shoe that my husband is wearing, and it works great. We didn't have any separation. The glue set really, really fast, and I'm really impressed. This is really helpful. I hope you found this video helpful.